In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect OKX to TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do here, you want to go to TradingView.com and then you want to sign into your account or create one in case you don't have one yet. And then just click on the products up here and click on Super Charts. Once you are inside their super charts over here, you want to click on trading panel down here at the bottom left, and then click on this button to the right to actually maximize this panel. And then in here, you want to look for OKX. Now, it should be somewhere here on the top. If it's not, click on show all brokers and find it here on the list. Click on it, and then here you can select if you want to connect to a live or a demo account. Press on connect. It's going to take you to a separate tab here where you basically have to sign into your account. There we go, as you can see. So you can sign into your account or log in to your OKX account, and then you'll be able to confirm it and connect it to TradingView. Then just click on this button up top again, and you'll be able to start using it right here inside TradingView. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.